Hey guys. So I got a pretty nifty package in the mail the other day and I thought I would share with you what was in it. Um, this came from Raimi Russell, who is a breast cancer survivor, and I've been chatting back and forth with her about any questions that I have about anything because she's gone through all of it. She went through chemo, mastectomy on both sides, reconstructive surgery, more chemo, and I believe radiation as well. So she has a lot of experience and she has been cancer free for several years now. So, woohoo! That's awesome. So, she sent me this little care package, and I thought it was pretty awesome, pretty neat that she thought of me and she wanted to give me a few things to take with me for my first chemo on Thursday. So I want to share it with you. So she put a bunch of cute little notes on everything. And when I first went through the box, I was pretty emotional about it all. So pretty teary eyed. But anyway, so the first thing is this fuzzy, soft blanket. And it says, because when you're getting your infusion, it takes a while, and you'll probably sleep most of the time. It's nice to have your own soft, fuzzy blanket and warm, soft, fuzzy blanket. So I've heard that you should stay as warm as possible for chemo because warmth increases blood flow and you want that chemotherapy to reach all of the capillaries anywhere a cancer cell might be hiding out. So that's awesome. I tend to be cold, so this is gonna be great. The next thing is this awesome shaker water bottle. It says because you need to stay hydrated, and the doctors told me that it was very important to drink lots of water before and after so that you can flush everything out afterwards, and also before just to stay hydrated. So yeah, that's going to be great. And also I'm going to include electrolytes in that because I already have an issue with electrolytes, so I think electrolytes would be a good thing to add too. The next thing is a bag of lifesavers mints, and she says, because sometimes what's saving your life will also make you feel a little queasy. And peppermint is known for helping with nausea, so that's awesome. I think that's the first thing people think of with chemo is being nauseated and throwing up. So not looking forward to finding out how severe my nausea is going to be. I'm hoping that it's not going to be that severe, but we'll find out. The next thing she got me was this cute little beanie because this will be your new best friend, even when you're inside. Brr, and she drew a little snowman on there. So with the hair falling out, not going to be fun at all. The next thing is she got a Starbucks gift card. Woohoo! And it says, oh, and inside it has some Hershey's Kisses. It says, because sometimes you'll just need coffee to get you through the day. And the kisses, well, just because. It's so sweet. The next thing are these cute, fuzzy socks. Because you need to be pampered, even if it's just fuzzy socks. And keep your feet warm. Cold feet suck. This is shea butter and coconut oil lip balm, and I think it also has beeswax in it. Well, this stuff is just the best. She just wanted us. I have never tried this kind, so it looks pretty good. Oh, it doesn't have. Oh yeah, it does have beeswax. Shea butter, vitamin A and E, and coconut oil. Looking forward to using some of that. This one is Kleenex, and I thought it was hilarious what she wrote, and something I didn't think of. Because you'd be surprised how important nose hairs are. And when they're gone, well, it's not a good thing. So apparently, nose hairs keep you from snotting all the time. Something I will find out. So thank you very much for the heads up, Rainy. A cute little notebook is the next thing. Because chemo brain is real. Great. Sometimes you'll need to write down questions for your doctor, medications to take, or maybe just feelings. So, yes, definitely. I think mom brain plus chemo brain probably doesn't equal anything great. The next thing is black nail polish. Because you need to get in tune with your inner goth. Just kidding, she says. Because some of the chemo causes fingernails and toenails to fall off due to photosensitivity. I used black polish and didn't lose any nails. So, it's going to be Black Polish City here pretty soon, like tonight. Because my chemo is day after tomorrow. My inner goth. I kind of like black nail polish anyways, so. And then this awesome little bag of all kinds of really cute stuff. There's a magnet. There's some mortar boards, some cute pink ribbon, hand crocheted pins, just a bunch of really neat little mementos. There's another notebook, which I'm sure I'm going to need, a notepad, just a bunch of cool stuff in this little care package. And then the other cool thing is this cool breast cancer lunch bag, which I'll be taking my snacks in for sure. So, but I just thought that was super sweet. A fellow cancer warrior and survivor, because I am going to get through this and come out on the other end and hope to be able to help someone else in the future that's having to go through this. So, cute little care package. Thank you so much, Rainy. I love you so much. Thank you. And thank you guys all for the prayers.